We're going halfway up the church.
Why are you doing that? I don't know.
So we're going halfway up the church. It's maybe because the clock's wrong up the church.
Yeah.
We got a church.
Is it open? What if the bell goes? Will it deafen?
No. No.
Will it hurt? Will it hurt your ears?
No, you wouldn't switch on.
Oh, wow, this is...
Oh, Benzie!
You've got 56 steps.
36.
36.
No, 56 altogether.
50.
That is halfway.
What?
That's not halfway.
Okay, please can we be a bit slower?
You moved out the house.
Sam, you go faster then.
Let's tell you. So here go on.
Oh, wow.
So you're basically reversing time.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome.
It's awesome.
You go to there.
How do you
So where do you need to put it?
You gotta go in there. That one.
move the hand? It might be chocolate.
Now that one there. Gotta go 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you gotta lift this in now.
Is this like your job?
Part.
What happens if you pull these?
Hey,
What happens if you pull
that's
these?
to ring the bells.
Oh, can I ring it?
No, you can't ring that. No.
Oh, wee,
Don't pull they.
Awesome. I've never seen an actual church clock.
Yeah, look at that key, Sam.
Whoa.
This will take longer. See, if you were slow, you could easily do it. You'd easily do it.
This is so slow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording and record when we're going back down the stairs.
So
Bye.
your grandpa live up the folly door.
Yeah.
And that was 7, and he's back in.
Mommy, look at this.
He's back in synchronisation then, look. That's a GMT. Don't press that tomorrow night.
So once you've gone down there.
When he's dropping, he's back in synchronisation now.
That's a tenner bell. And what was the weight on that, Sam?
24.
24 and a quarter hundredweight. We'll explain that
He's
later.
5. Just
500.
over 5, but he'd take some chimes in the bottom.
Whoa. That is going to take some doing, isn't it?
And because when we ring on, they go through. That's only swinging in the bottom. See?
Wow, and that took about 5 goes before you got that working.
See?
And then once you get in the swing of it, you won't do it, Sammy. You're not heavy enough.
And then when we ring on, they go right upside down.
Yeah.
360 degrees, see?
Yeah.
But if they ever go into a church, and not a bell ringer there, don't let them pull a rope.
No.
Because they could be up.
Right.
But hopefully that would be instilled in them for when they're big boys.
Yeah.
They might, a thing to learn, might.